The Bosphorus Strait is a magical waterway. It slices through Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents. This strait is not just a geographical boundary, it's a swirling blend of east and west. Ancient empires have risen and fallen along its shores. Our family gathered at the pier, the excitement palpable in the air. We exchanged smiles and laughter, our hearts racing with anticipation. As we boarded the boat, the sense of adventure grew stronger. We were ready to embark on an unforgettable sunset cruise along the enchanting Bosphorus Strait. The gentle rocking of the boat and the sound of lapping waves created a sense of tranquility that washed over us. It felt as if time had slowed down, allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in the moment. We were eager to witness the city's iconic landmarks bathed in the golden hues of twilight. The air was alive with anticipation as the boat slowly pulled away from the dock. As we cruised along the strait, a gentle breeze carried with it the scent of salt air and the distant sounds of the city. The rhythmic motion of the boat and the soothing sounds of the water created a perfect harmony that made us feel at peace. We knew we were in for a special treat. The Bosphorus is renowned for its architectural marvels, and our cruise offered a front-row seat to some of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks. The Dolmabahçe Palace, an opulent symbol of the Ottoman Empire's late period, gleamed majestically. Its ornate facade, adorned with intricate carvings and towering columns, reflected in the shimmering waters. Further along, the Ortaköy Mosque, with its elegant silhouette and delicate minarets, seemed to float on the water's edge. This mosque is a perfect example of Ottoman architecture. Its white stone exterior glowed warmly in the setting sun. These architectural gems served as a testament to Istanbul's rich history and cultural heritage. As our boat approached the first of Istanbul's iconic bridges, the Bosphorus Bridge, a sense of awe washed over us. Completed in 1973, this engineering marvel soared gracefully across the strait. It connected the European and Asian continents. Its towering pylons reached towards the sky like giant sentinels, while its slender deck carried a constant stream of traffic between two worlds. The Bosphorus Bridge is more than just a transportation route. It's a powerful symbol of Istanbul's unique position as a bridge between East and West. As we sailed beneath its imposing structure, we couldn't help but feel a sense of connection. We were sailing through a gateway that had linked cultures and continents for centuries. Continuing our cruise, we soon encountered the second bridge that graces the Bosphorus, the Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge, also known as the Second Bosphorus Bridge. This impressive structure connects the European and Asian sides of Istanbul, serving as a vital link in the city's transportation network. Named after the Ottoman Sultan who conquered Constantinople in 1453, this bridge stands as a testament to the empire's ambition and architectural prowess. The Sultan, known for his strategic brilliance and vision, would likely be proud of this modern marvel that bears his name. Its sleek design, completed in 1988, complements the modern skyline of Istanbul. The bridge's construction was a significant engineering feat involving advanced techniques and materials to ensure its durability and functionality. As our boat passed under the Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge, we were struck by its sheer size and grandeur. The bridge not only serves a practical purpose, but also stands as a symbol of the city's continuous growth and development. The bridge's massive concrete towers seemed to pierce the heavens, while its cables, strung like giant harp strings, hummed softly in the evening breeze. These elements together create a harmonious blend of strength and elegance, reflecting the spirit of Istanbul itself. The bridge is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Ottoman Empire and its impact on Istanbul's landscape. It stands as a reminder of the city's rich history and its ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new, creating a unique and vibrant urban tapestry. Today, the Bosphorus is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. A sunset cruise on its waters is an unforgettable experience. The Bosphorus connects the Sea of Marmara to the Black Sea. This strategic location has made it a coveted prize for centuries. Byzantine emperors, Ottoman sultans, and modern-day traders have all recognized its importance. Today, the Bosphorus is a bustling waterway. Giant tankers share the water with sleek yachts and traditional fishing boats. As the sun began its descent, casting a warm glow over Istanbul, the city seemed to come alive in a different light. The golden hour had arrived, painting everything in a soft, warm hue that made the Bosphorus Strait shimmer like liquid gold. Cruising along the Bosphorus, we were constantly reminded of the strait's unique position as a crossroads of civilizations. For centuries, the Bosphorus has been a meeting point for different cultures, religions, and empires. Its waters have witnessed the rise and fall of some of history's greatest powers. They continue to connect East and West in a vibrant tapestry of human interaction. As we sailed past ancient fortresses, Ottoman palaces, and modern skyscrapers, we couldn't help but reflect on the countless stories that had unfolded along these shores. The Bosphorus is a place where history comes alive, where the echoes of the past mingle with the dynamism of the present. As the sun began its final descent, the sky transformed into a canvas of breathtaking colors. The Bosphorus reflected the fiery hues of orange, pink, and purple, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The air grew still, and a sense of tranquility settled over the strait, as if nature itself were pausing to admire this daily masterpiece. The setting sun cast long shadows from the minarets of mosques and the towers of bridges, adding a touch of magic to the already enchanting atmosphere. The sky blazed with a symphony of colors, casting a golden glow on the city's iconic landmarks. As our sunset cruise drew to a close, we couldn't help but feel a sense of gratitude for the unforgettable experience we had just shared. The gentle rocking of the boat, the cool breeze against our faces, and the vibrant colours of the sky created a perfect ending to our day. It was a moment of reflection where we realised how fortunate we were to witness such beauty. The Bosphorus had revealed its magic to us. The way the golden light danced on the water's surface was mesmerizing. It felt as though time had slowed down, allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in the moment. The strait, with its rich history and stunning vistas, had cast a spell on us. We had witnessed the city's iconic landmarks bathed in the golden hues of twilight, each one telling its own story. The skyline of Istanbul, with its mix of ancient and modern architecture, looked even more enchanting under the setting sun. It was a sight that would be etched in our memories forever, and we had gained a deeper appreciation for the strait's historical and cultural significance. The Bosphorus is not just a body of water, it is a living testament to the civilizations that have thrived along its shores. Each building, each monument seemed to whisper tales of the past, enriching our understanding of this unique place. The magic of the sunset, painting the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple, was a daily spectacle that never ceased to amaze us, and the stories whispered by the ancient waters will forever hold a special place in our hearts. The Bosphorus, with its calm yet powerful presence, seemed to speak to us, sharing secrets of the ages. It was a journey that reminded us of the power of travel to connect us with different cultures, inspire awe, and create lasting memories. This experience on the Bosphorus was more than just a cruise. It was a journey of the soul, a reminder of the beauty that exists in the world, and a testament to the enduring spirit of exploration. The combination of the stunning scenery, the serene atmosphere, and the shared experience with loved ones made this moment truly magical. It was a memory we would cherish forever.